Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gosia Achmu Cooking. Today I will show you how I'm making homemade Greek authentic moussaka. Let's get started. And ingredients we need for this recipe. First part, I will slice eggplant for my Greek moussaka. Remove the ends and the slice half an inch. The eggplant is cut. Now I'll put the salt on both sides of eggplant to remove the bitter taste. Baking pan, I put the paper towel, slices eggplant, and I will wait for 20 minutes for the next step. And you can see the eggplant has all covered with water. It's a bitter water. I will rinse all eggplant on both sides to remove the bitter taste. Okay, eggplant is rinsed. Now I will dry. On the baking pan I put the paper right now. I have to dry my eggplant. Now I will bake eggplant, a little bit of oil and eggplant. Eggplant goes to the oven, temperature 420 degrees. The eggplant is done. I bake in the oven for about 15 minutes. And you can see it's nice and gold color, perfect for my recipe. I put on the side. I pre-wash potatoes and I will slice half an inch thick. I use gold potatoes for this recipe. Okay, the potato done. Next step, I pour some oil on aluminum foil. Just spread the potato, goes on the top of the foil. You can see that each time when I put potato, because the oil on the bottom of foil, I just touch the one side with the oil and turn. Touch and turn. Touch and turn, so I don't have to use excess oil. This amount will be enough. Now I will bake potatoes in 420 degrees temperature in oven to be gold color. Let's go check potatoes. Oh, looks beautiful. Just put on the side. I have to chop onion. Onion is chopped. Garlic. Okay, garlic is chopped. 3 tablespoons of oil. The stove is on high heat. Ground beef. The beef is not pink anymore. I'm adding chopped onion. I'll cook this for a few minutes. Now I'm adding garlic, 2 bay leaves, black pepper, half a teaspoon, thyme, 1 teaspoon, cinnamon, half a teaspoon, and salt, 1 teaspoon, half a cup of red wine, and 1 cup of tomato sauce. And now I'll combine all this in. I'll cook for a few minutes and I'll be done. Let me try. Wow. Okay, the meat is done. Put on the side. Now I will make bechamel sauce. First I have to melt butter. 1 stick of butter. 1 stick of butter melt. I keep stove on medium high. Now I'm adding 1 cup of flour. And I will whisk very quick. And slowly I will add milk. Now I'm adding 2 egg yolks, beautiful eggs. Black pepper. half a teaspoon, salt, and nutmeg, be half a teaspoon. Bechamel sauce is almost done. Look at this, guys. It's beautiful and smooth. I'm adding cheese, Parmesan cheese, half a cup. Perfect. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of bechamel sauce to meat. Like this. And just combine everything. The meat is so delicious. Yum. It will be excellent moussaka. Now it's time to assemble moussaka. On the bottom of my baking pan, a little bit oil. Next step, potatoes. Potatoes down. Looks beautiful. And next, eggplant. Next layer will be meat, bechamel sauce, and the layer of eggplant. The last part, bechamel sauce. Up. Cheese. Moussaka is done. I will bake moussaka 350 degrees for 40 minutes until it will be nice brown gold color. Moussaka is ready. You can see it's beautiful gold color. For the serving, you have to wait about 1 hour. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this recipe, please comment, like and share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified about my new video. I have so many delicious recipes on my channel. Be sure you check them out. And see you soon on my next episode. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego. Bye bye.